Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Silvina, and in today's video we are going to the Cotswolds again. This is part 2 of the last video, so yeah, let's get going.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
Okay, so we are here in a little village called Castle Combe, which is allegedly, named as the prettiest village in England, and I can see why, because it's really pretty. So basically this is a very small village that I think that you will be able to visit everything in like an hour or so. It's very close to Chippenham. It's just a half an hour bus away. So yeah, if you're in the area, I would recommend you to come, because look, it's really, really beautiful. This place is stunning. It looks like taken out of a fairy tale, or it's very picturesque, and I love it. It's so beautiful. Well, hello everyone. So today we are going to two little towns that are called Cheltenham and Worcester. So yeah, let's go. Okay, you guys, so we are here in Cheltenham. So far what I've seen is very, very pretty. So yeah, let's get to know a little bit more about this town. So the station, the train station is a little far away from the town center. It's like 20 minutes walking. I mean, it's not that far, but maybe if you come here, you could take a bus. I'm walking because I don't want to take a bus, but you could. Okay, so I do have to say that this place looks very, high-end. All the houses here are like mansions, and they are so beautiful. So basically this place back in the day, as well as Bath, it was a spa place for the rich people to come here and you know, go on holiday and meet new people. So yeah, this is really, really nice. I would assume that all of these big mansions were the you know, like the holiday houses of the rich people back then, in like the Victorian era. You guys, this, believe it or not, it's a bar.